What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris Sane, and if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. Today's video, guys, is the update on LCA. I got a good one for us today, and I'm going to also take a look at my portfolio. So, guys, without further ado, let's hop right into it. Okay, guys, for those that don't know, whenever Monday is down 2%, there's something called turnaround Tuesday when the market will automatically be up. And so on the road to 100K, my portfolio is currently sitting at $67,256.71. Listen, guys, on the day we're kind of was at break even. The market was kind of going sideways, up a little bit, down a little bit, depending on the day, depending on when you checked out the market. But hey, listen, guys, this is a buying opportunity. So make sure you're taking advantage of some of your favorite stocks being on sale right now, okay? Again, guys, this is a time to add and accumulate more shares to positions you already currently have. No need in adding new positions, no need in going and chasing new stock. If you got stocks and you can build out your position even more, this is the time to do that, guys. Listen, I want to talk to you about LCA. I got some news for us, and I think you guys are going to like this. Ticker symbol LCA, you guys already know, is sitting at $11.67. I told you guys already, I love this stock at $11, and so I hope, like me, you guys are adding to your position. Let's check out my position. Man, I added some more. I'm averaging down, guys. So I have 275 shares now, and my average cost is $13.89. So listen, while it's in the 11s, like I'm telling you, I have the chance to build out my position even bigger in this play with anticipation of the home run that we're about to hit, guys. But check this out, man. I got some great news, and I think you're going to like this. Okay, guys, I need you to make sure that if you're not on Twitter, at least log on to your Twitter and go check out this page. This is from Will Mead. He's a former PM at Goldman Sachs, okay? Read his information. It's all there for you to see, okay? But I follow him. You guys know I'm an athlete, and so he's obviously in the sports too, but more importantly, he's one of those insiders on Wall Street. And so look at what he had to say about LCA. He mentioned that LCA is getting too cheap. He tagged Golden Nugget Online Gaming. He added them in his tweet, and then he said the merger should happen in November. Listen, guys, I don't care what you got to do to find key information, but when you know something's going to be successful, you got to do whatever it takes to make sure something is successful, guys. I told you this is a $30 play. He's predicting, and he's got some inside information I obviously don't got, but according to him and whatever insiders he talked to, they think the merger will happen in November. Guys, because of the election, I think it's more like December. But however, regardless of when it happens, we know it's on the way, okay? Listen, man, this is good news. Again, don't hang your hat on any one thing. We're not investing in these companies for dates, okay? Invest in these plays because these are the future, and then take profits on them when we hit the home run, okay? Don't just be in something and then you flush it down the toilet, or you no longer have interest in investing in things like that. That's not what you want to get hung up on. However, this date will create a big move in this stock, and that's the move we're all waiting for. Listen, I hope that was helpful, man. Continue to always dig. I don't care where you have to dig. I don't care what you got to do, guys. It's always important to do your due diligence. Make sure that you are searching places high and low that nobody else might not be looking. I come on here each and every day for you guys, man, to help you make money. Do the research so you don't have to do it, and make sure that, guys, that you're successful, okay? And so listen, LCA, great time to buy right now, sitting at $11, okay? So again, continue to build out your position. Up next, guys, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is election jitters. Listen, guys, election jitters is what we will be facing from now until November 3rd or 4th, okay? Check this out. The election jitter simply means that stocks that you know, like, and love will be jittery. They will be fluctuating. They will be trading sideways. Guys, AMD has been crushing it, and if you guys go check out AMD right now, they are down for no other reason than election jitters, okay? So guys, understand what the market is doing, understand how the stock market goes. There's ebbs and flows, and it's why you can't time the market. You might think something is going to pop and all of a sudden it's down. You might think something is going to go down. Like me, I got burned 3 times with Nikola. I thought it should be a $10 stock by now, according to all the bad news, and it hasn't dropped below 20. Matter of fact, it's better than Workhorse, Hyliion, and Ride or Diamond Peak Holdings before the merger, and that trips me out every time I think about it. But that's a lesson to be learned in that. Not to be down on yourself, not to bash anybody. It's just simply to say you guys can't never think the logical thing will take place in the stock market. It'll always throw you a curveball. So it's best to say 10 toes down. Always do your due diligence and always have a plan A as well as a plan 1A. Listen guys, up next we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Brandon Rice. He says, my favorite YouTube stock guru, no fluff, no clickbait. I've learned a lot from your channel. Question, your previous videos you mentioned monthly, quarterly, dividend stocks, etc. I'm in a bind. Today I had 500. I bought 6 shares of AT&T, 6 shares of Main, and 2 more Neo. How do you decide what to spend your money on? I want the monthly and quarterly dividends and the long-term growth due to my age, but how can you pass on Neo at 25 or Tesla at 415? Listen, Brandon, man, I thank you for this. I told you when I saw this in the comments that I was going to feature you in today's video to kind of shed light on this in hopes that it helps some of you all out, okay? But listen, guys, the whole quarterly dividend play, the whole monthly dividend play is all about you guys creating a pathway to leave the corporate plantation. I started doing that over 12 years ago, guys, because I wanted passive income. I wanted to invest one time, and then for those one investments, or we call them an army of dollars, to go out and consistently make money for me every single month, every single quarter for the last decade, okay? That is why I do it. You guys always have to have a plan for why you are going to do something. So again, dividends are cool for income, however, they're not cool for growth. So you guys know I'm on a road to 100K. If I'm trying to get there, I need less dividends and more growth stocks. I need growth stocks like LCA, like Tesla, like ChargePoint. You guys got to have those kind of stocks. That's get you from 60,000 to 100,000, okay? Dividend stocks will keep you at 60,000. However, it'll keep making you more money, so you'll have more buying power or you'll have more passive income. So it's always important to distinguish the two so that you know. One thing I want to show you guys, if you check out the bottom of my portfolio, if you look at LCA and DraftKings, if you look at ChargePoint and Home, one thing and one reason they're located next to each other, to Brandon's point, is he asks, when do you know what to buy? One thing I do, I align my portfolio up in a strategic way, because sometimes that's a great question. You don't know when to buy, but for me, I base everything off my average cost. So if something is below my average cost, that's going to get first dibs on whether or not I buy that particular stock over the other one. So again, we never chase prices, we never buy high, we always buy low. And so LCA is $11. LCA will get my money before DraftKings get my money, if that makes sense. Okay, always buy the lowest cost, because the name of the game is to buy low and sell high. Listen, I won't belabor the point, but I hope that was helpful, man. If you have comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, please make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.